Hi, welcome to our channel. You are watching Chronicle today. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and follow our channel. Goal setting breeds success. Goal setting strategy is a common practice among successful people. Successful people know that people must be proactive instead of reactive. If you are already successful and want to stay that way, goal setting is one way of being in control. Goals provide us with direction and objective, enhancing our motivation and focus. It allows us to look beyond our actions and see the progress that is made. This anticipation provides us with fuel to further our drive to reach our goals. The strategy of goal setting is an influential aspect of every research and practice in improving performance. Goal setting strategy. There are several goal setting strategies that should be considered first before actually laying down goals. Visualize this strategy and picture the story of the bucket that never seems to get full. Core values. A primal goal setting strategy is to decide on what is important to you. If you can identify your core values, you can decide what core projects to set that your life should have primary focus on. Imagine that these core values are the rocks that would be the first to be fit down in the bucket. Secondary values. We could divide the core values of our life into several aspects. We can then identify secondary values to complement the core values that you have identified previously. Imagine that these secondary values are the pebbles that will fit down into the bucket in the spaces between the rocks. These pebbles represent the other projects that contribute towards those widest categories of your life's core values. Daily activities. Another goal-setting strategy would be to identify actual daily activities that contribute towards our multitude of projects. These daily activities actually complement our secondary values. Imagine that these daily activities are the sand that would fill out the spaces left behind by the rocks and the pebbles. The action that we take. The bucket is already full of rocks, of pebbles, and of sand. Yet there are still some very small cracks or crevice that needs filling. That is water. Even a small crevice could be filled up by water. This extra space that is available to water is also the most sensitive part of goal-setting strategy. This represents the very next action steps that we can take. Remember that the big projects would only happen by the small action steps that we take. Remember to discard the things that do not truly contribute to your core and secondary values. Always be mindful of the little strategies that you could use around you. It could be a book for learning, a paper for writing, pocket PC use, earphones for listening to training audios, etc. You can incorporate various mediums to effectively take action on your goals. The strategy to success. The goal-setting strategies mentioned above will make sure that you are always connected, mindful, and focused to the bigger picture. Try to do it all. You can do this by breaking everything down into a hierarchy and make the most of every moment. It would always fit everything together by size, location, or by movement. People who try to prioritize by level of importance and who try to schedule specific activities to time usually fail. This is because of the many distractions, interruptions, even changes in a person's mood and energy levels, or new inspirations or projects that reveal themselves as you move through time. Try hard to prioritize, or else you would get confused and worst be overloaded. Do this by keeping a running list of next step activities. Remember that willpower does not last long, but pure intent together with preparation and organization allows you to do things you have never thought you could do.